You ever get a hot lure that seems to always catch more fish than others, but in turn you're catching pike, white bass, and monster walleyes and your hooks get mangled up? That happens. I want to use the same bait though. So what I'm going to show you today is how to swap out these beat up, bent up treble hooks with a new sharp, super sharp hook. So what I've got here is I've got the split ring open. I get the treble hook that I'm trying to remove on one side and slide it halfway over. Then I take my new treble hook to replace that with, and I start that on the other side of the split ring. So when I'm sliding off the bad hook, the new hook is also sliding on that split ring as well. It's a two-part process that makes it a lot easier. So what I've got here is I've got that old treble hook halfway off of the split ring. I've got the new treble hook halfway on the split ring, and I just work it through, sliding the old one off and the new one on. And keep in mind, you got to be careful. And also, one thing I wanted to mention is these treble hooks lay a certain way. So when you remove and replace, make sure you turn that treble hook so it's lined up the same way. And also the size and the weight of the treble hook that you're removing, you want to make sure you replace it with something very comparable, or if not the same hook, because that's going to affect the way your lure runs, the action of the lure, and also you don't want these hooks to get fouled together. So we just continue on sliding the old one off and the new one on.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.